Are you ready to catch your first fish from a lake, but not sure where to start? Whether you're standing on the shore or casting from a boat, this video's got everything you need to start lake fishing the right way. Quick challenge for you. Drop a comment below with your dream fish to catch. Bluegill, trout, catfish. Let's see who dreams the biggest. Let's jump in and get fishing. Look for areas with structures like submerged logs, rocks, or weed beds. Fish hide there for shelter and food. Early morning and evening are prime times. Cooler temps bring fish closer to shore. Rod and reel. Start with a medium-action spinning rod, 6 to 7 feet long. Versatile for most species. Line, use 6 to 10 pound monofilament line. Forgiving and affordable. Hooks, sizes number 4 to number 1 for most lake fish like sunfish, crappie, and bluegill. Live bait. Night crawlers, minnows, artificial soft plastic worms, spinner baits for largemouth bass. For panfish like bluegill, small hooks with a bobber and worm are simple and effective. Cast near structures and let your bait sink before reeling slowly. Watch for line twitches, that's usually a bite. Access deeper waters and unreachable structures. You can follow schools of fish with electronics like fish finders. Same rod and reel setup as bank fishing, but consider a bait casting reel if targeting larger species. Safety first. Always wear a life jacket and have a basic first aid kit on board. Trolling. Slowly pulling bait behind the boat, great for trout or walleye. Vertical jigging. Drop the lure straight down and jig it. Works well over submerged structures. Use fish finders to locate depth changes and underwater cover. That's where fish hang out. Crankbaits. Mimic injured fish. Great for largemouth bass and walleye. Jigs with soft plastics. Effective for deep water species. Don't forget live bait like minnows for an all-around choice. Alright, so avoid using gear that's way too heavy or, way too light. If you're out catching bluegill, an ultralight rod is a blast, but for largemouth bass, you'll want to stick with a medium-heavy setup. And remember, fish just aren't as active when it's super hot or after a sudden cold snap. Now if it's cloudy or right after a rain, that's some of the best fishing. Fish are just more likely to bite. If you're not getting any bites, try switching up your lure. Change the type, the size, or even the color. Go with brighter colors in murky water and stick to natural shades in clear water. Oh, and don't just sit in one spot the whole time. Sometimes, just moving 20 feet down the bank or along the shore makes all the difference. Well, there you have it. A complete beginner's guide to lake fishing whether you're on the bank or out in a boat. If you want more tips or you've got questions about going after a certain fish species, just let me know down in the comments. And hey, if this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and ring that bell. Cause your next big catch might just start with our next video. Happy fishing and I'll see y'all out on the water.